Tom inherited a piece of land. No fences, no animals, just wide open space and a world of possibility. His grandfather raised cattle the old-fashioned way, sunrise to sunset, guided by instinct, not data. But Tom, he had something different. He had Nova, an AI that sees what others miss. Together, they built a farm where cows wear smartwatches, robots recognize each animal by name, and profits flow like fresh milk. This isn't some futuristic fantasy. This is smart livestock farming in 2025, and it's just getting started.
Here's the brutal truth about traditional livestock farming. Disease spreads invisibly through herds, costing farmers billions annually. Feed gets wasted, up to 30% in some operations. Stress levels in animals skyrocket, reducing milk production and meat quality. Labor costs are crushing small farmers. Profit margins? Razor thin. Most farmers still operate like it's 1985, relying on gut instinct and daily visual checks. But Tom saw the gap between tradition and technology and decided to bridge it with data, AI, and pure innovation.
Meet Nova, Tom's AI farming assistant. She doesn't just collect data. She thinks, predicts, and acts. Every cow on Tom's farm got an RFID tag containing their complete digital identity. Biosensors track heart rate, body temperature, activity levels, and behavioral patterns every second of every day. Nova's machine learning algorithms analyze this data stream, detecting early signs of illness days before any symptoms appear. She knows when cow number 247 is about to get sick, when cow number 156 is ready for breeding, and exactly what cow number 089 needs for optimal milk production. One dashboard, total control, complete transparency.
Feeding used to be expensive guesswork. Nova turned it into precision science. She analyzes each cow's weight, age, breed, pregnancy status, milk output, and even genetic markers to create personalized nutrition plans. Think of it as a fitness app, but for cows. Smart feeders deliver exact portions at optimal times. Feed quality sensors ensure nutritional consistency. Waste tracking identifies the most efficient feed combinations. The results speak for themselves. 40% reduction in feed costs, 25% increase in milk production, 30% faster growth rates in beef cattle. Every bite counts. Every nutrient matters.
This isn't just a barn anymore. It's a 5-star wellness resort for livestock. Nova controls temperature, humidity, air quality, and lighting based on real-time stress indicators from the animals themselves. Smart ventilation systems adjust airflow when stress levels rise. Automated misting systems activate during heat waves. Water stations track individual hydration patterns, flagging dehydration before it impacts health. LED lighting follows natural circadian rhythms, optimizing sleep and feeding cycles. The result? Stress-free animals that produce more, live longer, and require fewer medical interventions. Happy cows really do produce better milk.
Robotic milking used to be impressive enough. Nova made it extraordinary. Her robotic systems don't just milk, they analyze every drop in real time. Sensors detect fat content, protein levels, somatic cell counts, and potential contaminants before the milk even leaves the udder. If cow number 312 shows early signs of mastitis, Nova isolates that milk instantly and alerts the veterinarian team. She tracks individual yield patterns, optimizes milking schedules, and even adjusts robot pressure based on each cow's comfort level. Every gallon of milk comes with a complete digital certificate of origin, quality, and traceability. In just 18 months, Tom didn't just transform his farm, he revolutionized his entire business model. Return on investment? 285%. Veterinary expenses dropped by 52%. Labor costs reduced by 63%. Overall productivity increased by 31%. But the real magic happened in the details. Early disease detection saved $127,000 in potential livestock losses. Optimized feeding reduced annual feed costs by $89,000. Automated systems eliminated the need for 3 full-time employees. Premium milk quality commanded 15% higher prices. Tom's Smart Farm isn't just profitable, it's setting the standard for the entire industry.
Tom's story isn't unique anymore. It's becoming the norm. Across Europe, smart farms are increasing productivity by 40% annually. In Asia, AI-powered livestock management is attracting billions in investment. In the Americas, traditional farmers are converting to smart systems at unprecedented rates. The global smart agriculture market is exploding, projected to reach $43.4 billion by 2027. Early adopters aren't just surviving the agricultural revolution, they're leading it. Major tech companies are partnering with farmers, creating an ecosystem where data flows as freely as milk. The question isn't whether smart farming will dominate, it's whether you'll be part of the transformation.
This isn't just a tech demo, it's a business blueprint. Whether you're a farmer looking to modernize, an investor seeking the next big opportunity, or an entrepreneur ready to disrupt agriculture, smart livestock farming represents the future of food production. Tom started with empty land and a vision. Today, he's a leader in agricultural innovation. Tomorrow, that could be you. But here's the thing about revolutions. The early participants get the biggest rewards. If this opened your eyes to what's possible, smash that like button and subscribe to VisionToVenture. We're building a community of forward thinkers who don't just watch the future, they create it. Drop a comment below. If you had a smart farm, what would you automate first? Let's discuss the future of farming together.